Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to add image in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to insert or upload a picture on Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To add or upload an image in Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, create a new design or open an existing one. Once the design editor opens, look at the left sidebar. To add your own image, click on Uploads from the sidebar. Now, click the Upload Files button and choose an image from your device. Once uploaded, the image will appear in your Uploads folder. Click on the image to add it to your design. You can now move, resize, crop, or rotate it as needed. If you want to use an image from the Canva library, click on Elements from the left sidebar. Now, scroll down to the Photos section and click on See All. You can search for the image using keywords in the search bar. Browse through the available images and click on the one you want. The image will be added to your design automatically. Now, you can adjust the position, apply filters, add effects, or set it as a background.